guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a seafood salad. It's a crab salad. It's an excellent crab salad. It's easy to make and there's only a few ingredients, okay? So let's get started. Okay, after I make the crab salad, I'm gonna add the crab salad to a salad. So a salad on top of a salad. It's gonna be delicious stuff. So I have onions here, tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes, 1 whole lemon. I have chopped up about a 1/3 cup of celery there. I'm gonna use my Louisanna hot sauce in this dish. Here, it's gonna be delicious, don't worry. And some Creole seasoning. So I will give you the exact measurements of each ingredient in the description box below. Okay, and I'm using real crab meat in a can here, but you can use imitation stuff if you like, but I kind of like the real stuff, so that's what I'm making today, but you can use the imitation. It'll turn out this really good. It'll turn out really good either way, okay? And I have a little French yellow mustard there, and of course, Duke's marinade. So let me get started on this, okay? I just want to mention to you, for a whole can of crab meat, there is only 2 carbs. So you're not getting a lot of carbs. You can have one of these cans of crab meat and you only get 2 carbs. So it does have a little sugar added to it. It's like about 2 grams of sugar, but that'll be okay. All right. Okay, let me open these cans and let me get the crab meat in the bowl. This is what the crab meat looks like in a can. I think I paid about $2.50 for each can. So if you want to go with the invitation crab meat, that might be better for your family, especially if you have a family of 4 or more. So yes, the invitation crab meat would be great for you guys. It's only 2 of us, so this will work out fine for us. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the crab meat, okay? I don't know why I keep calling this tuna. It's not tuna, it's crab meat. So add this to the bowl. Add a little salt. This is going to be about a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. I'm going to add just a little, that's about a dash, Louisiana hot sauce. So that's optional. If you don't want to put it in there, you don't have to put it in there, okay? All right, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of French mustard, okay? It's hot in Texas, and even though I have the air on, I'm still hot, okay? Okay, I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of mayo right now, okay? And I'm gonna add just a 1/4 teaspoon of this Creole seasoning, okay? It's kind of got a kick to it too, so if you don't like spicy food, don't put it in there. Those are my cherry tomatoes. That was about 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes. I have about a cup of red onions. I have already chopped them up. So I'm gonna add those to the bowl. I have a very small garlic clove. I'm gonna chop that up real quick. And I have a ½ cup of celery. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there. All right, we're gonna get all our onions out of there. And I'm gonna add 1 whole lemon. So let me stop the video right now, all right? And chop up this garlic. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lemon. This is a whole lemon, okay? It's going everywhere except for in this bowl where I want it to go. Okay, that's half of it. And this is the other one. All right, I chopped up the garlic. I'm gonna add that to it. All right, let me mix that up. It looks delicious. Colors are really beautiful in this salad. But guess what? I'm gonna have to add some more mayo because I like it a certain way. I like it really creamy, and it's not quite there yet for me. So that makes 3 tablespoons of mayo. Okay, that should do it. Okay. I'm gonna let this refrigerate for 1 hour before we eat it, okay? And there it is. Okay, let me take a quick picture of it. All right, let me taste this dish, okay? It's perfect. Seasoned just right. It tastes really good, and I haven't even refrigerated it yet. So I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator right now, but it's delicious. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful evening.